Ulibka, what if I told you that most people talk to ChatGPT completely wrong? Howza, the difference between an average answer and a game-changing one is in the prompt. Serezno, today, I'll teach you how to speak AI, how to write prompts that make ChatGPT think, reason, and create exactly what you want. Howza, we'll start simple, structure, tone, and context. Then we'll move to multi-prompt chains, role instructions, and creative setups that push AI to its limits. Ulibka, for example, instead of saying, write a blog post about marketing, you say, act as a top SaaS marketer writing a viral LinkedIn post for B2B founders. Boom! 10x better output instantly. Howza, by the end, you'll have 5 universal prompt templates that work for writing, coding, research, and even YouTube ideas. Vidonavlaus, once you master this, you'll never look at ChatGPT the same way again.